Hey guys, Bodhi here from Peacemaker Studios, bringing you another video. Today I am here reporting that at Family Kingdom, the Galleon pirate ship ride has officially been removed. This does not come as a shock to me at all. Honestly, I kind of predicted this ride would get removed. There are so many rides that have been removed at Family Kingdom lately that I am surprised that this one has lasted that long. It's kind of in its own section of the park. Like, you almost have to be looking for it to be able to ride it, because you get to that area where the techno jump was last year, where the yo-yo formerly was, and you go down and maybe you go ride the Hurricane, and then if you look behind you, you'll be able to see the Galleon. But there's nothing else over there. There used to be a Scrambler over there, and then the Scrambler was removed in like 2019. The Scrambler has not been there for a very long time. And then there was also a Slingshot over there for a little bit. So, I mean, there was some good foot traffic over there for a while. Unfortunately, and of course, they also had the flip side over there last year. However, it still just does not get that much of a wait. I often just kind of see it sitting there and nobody riding it, which is very unfortunate. Pirate ships are a very good kind of ride. Not saying it's the best pirate ship in the world. It's definitely not, and it's definitely not even the best pirate ship in the city. There is another one that is also that is SBNO. It resides at Broadway at the beach. It is not currently operating. It's not even standing and operating. It's just not even operating. It's sitting in a random parking lot. I really, really hope that Family Kingdom buys that ride and puts it there. I very, very much doubt it, but that is just a pipe dream of mine. I absolutely love that pirate ship. It goes very high, and it is just an awesome ride, and it looks great too. And it would be a part of Myrtle Beach history. They also have bought stuff from Broadway at the beach before. Broadway had this ride called Surf's Up a couple of years ago, back in like 2018, 2017 area, and it showed up at Family Kingdom, still having the Pavilion Park sign all over it, last year, 2025, I believe. Maybe very end of 2024, but I believe it opened in 2025. That's what I would really love to see, especially if Broadway isn't planning on doing anything with it, which it doesn't seem like they are. It closed at Broadway at the beach in 2019, I want to say, and they said they were getting a new pirate ship for it, which it needed, which they ended up getting. But it sat in a parking lot, and eventually the ride was just torn down, and that area was completely torn down with all the rides around it, and it was sent to a parking lot right by Broadway at the beach, and then sent off years later, now sitting in this abandoned lot in Myrtle Beach. So I really don't know what they're planning on doing. The entire ride is sitting there, including both pirate ships. So I don't know what's going on there. But I'm getting off track there. I also do believe the kite flyer from Family Kingdom has been removed. I'm not 100% sure on that. They could just be doing maintenance. But like I said, based off of what Family Kingdom has been doing lately, I believe that it has just been fully removed. It was down for a very long time last year and the year before, so I do not see them keeping that thing around. What I would also really like to see at Family Kingdom is, honestly, making that area a kiddie area. I get that it is a big open spot for big rides, like the flip side probably couldn't have gone anywhere else in the park. However, what I really think they should do is take the current parking lot and make that into a new area for big rides. And put all things like that, make like looping kind of rides, anything that's really narrow, you can put that on the paths where the swash is, so it's very visible throughout the park, and then have that as a big area. And then have all those kiddie areas kind of by that Ferris wheel where the Galleon sits currently. So they're kind of tucked away, but they're still there in one area. But that's just me. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I will leave a link to my merch store in the description below if you would like to purchase my merch. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.